quick short update, just kind of in a workshop, tinkering around. And we did the gearbox vlog last time, so I wasn't really done that, but we mentioned that we will do some sort of gearbox mount for the gearbox. So I started with that, and this is my idea. There will be a metal plates on the side here, which are bolted to the gearbox. And then there's a big plate which I made for this pipe. And this pipe fits in that engine stand over there. So, with that said, the idea is that this would fit something, let's see, something like this. Needs to be a little bit more snug, but it's gonna be something like this. The only thing that I didn't think about was kind of the oil plug, and if I want to, you know, get access to that. So in that case, maybe this hole should have been further down, and then there should be an oil plug hole here. But nevertheless, I don't think we need to open the oil plug when the gearbox is open like this, and we can just rotate it. So I think that's gonna work anyways. So I'm just gonna see if my CAD drawing panned out good. Gonna cut the pipe, weld it on, and then see if it fits in the stand. So that's gonna be the quick thing that I will do for today, and then we will continue with the engine. That's the plan for the next step. Now this pipe would be then here. Perfect fit. So I think that's going to be good. And then I'm thinking that this pipe is going to be here. So this is what, approximately ish. Let's do it a bit. Let's do it that long. Cutting. And then welding, and then see if it fits. Done and dusted. Welded, not all the way, doesn't matter. Outside, inside, and bolted. And now to the fun part, try to put it in there. This thing there, by myself. I'm gonna record it so you guys can laugh, because I think it's gonna be a pain in the butt to do so. Looking forward to this. Okay, I'm gonna get dirty, that's a fact. Do we want to have this thing on? Maybe better. Look like a butcher. Butcher Carl. Hey, okay, vamos. I'm thinking that this is gonna go like this. And then, I have no idea. Just faith. Jesus Christ. Put it in the hole. Close one. I mean, it's not an expensive gearbox, right? So it wouldn't matter if I dropped it, or would it? All right. No. Ah. Where are all the helpers when I need them? Okay, I could wait until they get here. What's the fun of that? Okay, last try, and then I give up. Lift with legs, not back. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Very nice. My wife. Okay, it's there. Mission completed.